this is going to be talking about the Kenton area, and also could be another round after this intro. Extreme Weather over here, we actually going to talk about what happened in the past, what's going on over day, because those lots of thunderstorms happening in the past has been a lot of damage on around the Kensington area. So much bad damage is going on over day and day out because it is really bad, because there's really lots of tornado damage around the Kensington area. The yesterday there's really bad area, lots of building destroyed. There was been like 36 reports. It was like 36, now like 37 reports for the tornadoes. Now it was very timely is changing to it, because the weather now it is the eastern way, but there's a little bit severe what it is going on over time, but there's not lots of like damage left to it. Just damage wind threat. That's it. Maybe there's a 0 point chance for like hail, but it is, we don't know what is going on very shortly about the weather. Speaking of the weather, I also will show you what is going on the weather models. That was that low pressure storming in, and also it was gonna be a little bit, eventually be a little bit quiet, but it's a little bit rainy in California. But that will going to change with a like little bit warmer temperature in the Panhandle of Texas very soon. That's what it is going on over time about this video. This is going to be extremely very hot and around the Great Lakes. It's really hot, really rarely to see the max level. All the way to 380.9 Fahrenheit, or some areas that's how warm could be on the 16th of December, but slowly weakening, and it could die downward to the around the Great Lakes. Then very cold air will coming back in, because there's not a lot of things happening that way quickly about it over time. About it. Here's maybe a little bit chance for thunderstorm around the 16th at 1 a.m. And then also there's a very good chance for thunderstorm at 16th around same state and over. Could happen again. We don't know how bad it could be for those thunderstorms. It's just amazing how much it could damage can do. We don't know how bad it is. Yeah, for the states having for those tornadoes, in the zone, and it is very hard to fear of it coming again and over. But so far, there's not like a little bit, but there's no like below average and above average, but it's a little bit, but very soon a little bit difference to see the below average appearing. And then on the 20th of December, very warm area round, and then maybe you could head towards the south Arizona, but there's still the massive, very hot area, very humidity and very hot for chance for thunderstorm on the 16th. That's really warm air and cold air combined together. We'll see how bad could damage can do quickly. Let's check how much there's any good dew points for the 16. Show you just a little hook to bring the warm area for really high for dew points. And also very precipitation is bringing a little bit dry to bring that up there. But I don't think there's gonna be massive cave, but there's like around like 300 joules of cave up there. But that's not much. But it's really hard, tough, really tell how much we going and over again for those storms. Hard to believe those tornadoes can do very rough damage around the Arizona area for the U-21 damage. Because it was like 220, 220, I mean, just 200 miles of the path of 4 to tornado. Just really crazy how much those tornadoes there are. Like that. Well, kids in time. Really bad. Could be another round very soon. This is extreme weather out here.